Model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 290 Trend E-Tec high-top ULEZ compliant. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 166983. MOT, 7 March 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. This came in running and driving perfectly, but on test drive the clutch failed, so it will need the clutch repairing or replacing. No warning lights on the dash grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. This is the Transit you want as it is ULEZ compliant but still has the older more reliable 2.2 chain-driven engine. This is a very rare custom with this combination of ending and being ULEZ. Features: 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows,